Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the weekly trading recap. So, for this week, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the trades that we had at the end of last week, or I should say, the end of last month, the end of June. So, we had two trades at the end of June here. Our first one here was on Aussie Swish. So, I had a sell trade right here. Price went up against me about 30 pips, and then price came back down to our entry price, and then we formed a box right here, so I exited early. So for my trading system, whenever we see contraction before we scale out, we always exit early. So this is an early exit for me, so it's a small loss. We ended up losing about $70 here on this small loss, so not too bad for an early exit. This is exactly where I want it to be, actually. And then for the second trade here, we had another sell on NZD Swish. So it's two sells on two Swish pairs. I really like trading Swish pairs, but I don't discriminate. So we ended up getting in for another sell here, and price went up against us about 15 pips here, 16 pips, and then price came back to our entry price, and then we had another box form here. And so we had another early exit here. And you can see for this one, if we would have stayed in, we would have got completely destroyed. Price went straight up against us right after we had this box form right here. And for this one, we ended up making about $22. So another early exit. So yeah, we're just a really good trading week, a really good trading month actually. We followed the plan 100%. So yeah, it feels good. So for July here, there actually hasn't been any trades. Well, actually, I did have a trade, but there was a news announcement, the OPEC news announcement, the oil announcement came out on that same day. So I wasn't really trying to trade in that volatility, not for my system anyways. I wasn't trying to get in on any heavy news like that. So I ended up skipping that trade, and then on we had 4th of July, of course. So there wasn't really much trading activity trading system. So there hasn't been any trades yet. It's the 8th right now, so I'm currently not in any trades for July, but I will take you guys through a trade that I'm looking at right now. Let me go ahead and delete these objects here. So here is Pound USD, and what's caught my attention here is this daily. We can see here we have a box here, price coming down and coming back through the expansion. So we have the weekly and monthly, they're both aligned with this. So we have a buyer's market basically. And on the hourly here, we have a buyer's market with high volatility. And on the hourly here, I'm just waiting for an entry. So what I'm looking for here is for a box to form, and this is probably going to turn into one. And I'm looking for entry probably around right here. So basically, all I'm looking for is for this to turn into a box right here, right? And then for price to come down out of this box, shoot down out of it, and I'll get my entry in probably right around that, the high of this wick here. And then we'll be looking to come up through for our trade. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at for the beginning of July here, Pound USD. So if you guys like this video, then please like it. And if you guys want to stay tuned for my journey to 10%, then please subscribe. Thank you guys very much for watching, and have a good trading week. Peace.